commuter's simple journey through the city turned into a telling reflection of Bengaluru's struggling road infrastructure. On Friday afternoon, a man traveling towards Jayanagar decided to take a different route because the road ahead was in poor condition. As he approached the busy stretch opposite the Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation head office on Shantinagar double road, his journey slowed to a crawl. What he encountered was not traffic but a series of deep potholes scattered across the road. Vehicles were forced to zigzag carefully. For commuters, the stretch had turned into a daily obstacle course. The man, clearly frustrated, pointed out that this road lies right opposite the KSRTC head office, a place that sees constant movement of buses, commuters and officials. Yet, the condition of the road, he said, paints a troubling picture. He explained that the potholes were not small cracks but large gaps in the road surface, making it dangerous for motorists and especially risky for two-wheelers. During peak hours, he added, the situation becomes even worse as drivers struggles. The commuter's concern echoes a familiar complaint heard across Bengaluru, that even in central and high traffic areas, basic road maintenance often remains neglected. For many like him, the issue is not just inconvenience but safety. Until the potholes are repaired, every journey through its stretch remains uncertain, a daily reminder of the city's ongoing battle with broken roads.
सर ये उधर रोड अच्छा नहीं, इसलिए मैंने उधर साइड से गाड़ी आया टच करके।
आप कहाँ थे, किधर जा रहे थे, क्या कर रहे थे?
मैं जयनगर जा रहे थे, इसलिए वो उधर टच हो गया गाड़ी।
क्या आपको खड्डा दिखा नहीं क्या?
नहीं दिखा है सर।
ओके, क्या उसके वजह से हुआ?
हाँ हुआ सर, उसके वजह से हुआ, बाद में ये गाड़ी भी टच हो गई।